Hello friends, SQL DBA with Azure. Complete practice step-by-step training from our SQL school. My name Sai Fanindra Toleti from SQL school and I would be the trainer for SQL DBA classes. I have been into database technologies for more than 19 years. You will see my love, my dedication, my control and my command on the SQL database subject. I love it. In our SQL DBA classes from scratch, we'll be understanding right from the very basics of installations, right from the fundamentals first, then slowly step into installations, installation issues, solutions, SQL basics, the fundamental activities first, then architecture concepts next. Then we'll slowly step into the concept of backups, restores, jobs, database mail in order, in a particular order for easy understanding. We have starters as well as experienced professionals in our classes. So we need to make sure the things are interesting firstly. It should be interesting. It should be useful and easier to implement. So we are going to have the basic activities first. Then comes core DBA concepts like backups, restores, jobs, database mail, alerts, security, various security scenarios to solve. One dedicated week for query tuning activities, performance tuning. One dedicated week for replication, high availability, disaster recovery solutions, upgrades, updates, repairs, troubleshooting, ticketing tools, process understanding. We have something called SLA, OLA activities, service level agreement and operational level agreement activities, routine DBA activities, emergency DBA and maintenance DBA activities with the project work for our resume. After the core DBA concepts, experienced profiles will surely go for Azure, Microsoft Cloud. We have Azure SQL database concepts from scratch. Azure SQL Server, databases, firewall, connections. Very, very important migrations, storage, backpack files. We have something called scaling options, capacity planning, automated tuning. Azure sorting, replication, failover activities, partial, managed instance, which is very important for certifications, DP300 certification exam guidance part of the course, and the latest DP300 examination update includes managed instance, part of our classes. Managed security, row level security, and very, very important, data masking, dynamic data masking, always on clusters, and HADR concepts in Azure. We have PaaS and SaaS activities. No doubt, sessions should be completely into practice activities right from the scratch, right from what is SQL. Understanding the things in an easier way, simplified way. We'll start from the very basics of databases, slowly step into core DBA, and then step into Azure DBA activities. Need your support. Make sure we do on-time practice throughout the classes. Our subject is bit lengthy, but should be useful. We have good amount of DBA concepts in real world that we need to do. And the list is huge, spanning across multiple screens. And the course curriculum is also a bit lengthy. I want to make the classes useful. Please join us for an introduction class. Let's understand about our profiles. Let's understand more about the course, like why DBA, what DBA mean, what kind of job roles we have, and what are the main maintenance activities we need to perform as a DBA, what kind of job roles we can expect, how to market our resume, how to streamline our profile. Yes, all these activities part of our classes in addition to our technical training sessions. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. See you there in our live demo class. You may visit our website sqlschool.com or reach me directly for doubts clarifications. Thank you once again. Have a nice time. Thank you so much.